All right. Okay, welcome to our grade 1 physical education lesson. Welcome to you all, boys and girls, for grade 1. All right, so our today's lesson is physical education lesson, and our topic is internal body parts. Internal body parts. All right. Whilst you are copying that grade 1s, let me explain what internal body parts are. In our last lesson, we were talking about the body parts, the parts which we can see. All right. So they should be external. They are outside. We can see them with our eyes. But today we want to go further and talk about the ones which we cannot see, which are inside our bodies. Those are the ones which we call the internal body parts. They are internal. They are inside. All right. You've all written that? Those who have written that, can you raise up your hands? Those who have written PE, internal body parts. All right, we say PE is a shortcut for physical education. So the internal body parts, they are the parts which are inside our bodies. How do we know that there are parts which are inside our bodies? Huh? We're always singing head and shoulders, knees and toes. We've got eyes, nose, the mouth. But we say today we want to talk about the ones which are inside our bodies. Are there parts which are inside our bodies? Are they there? Ruvarashe, have you ever slaughtered a chicken at your home? Karisam?
Yes.
Yes, I know you keep chickens and you slaughter them, isn't it? And then inside, what do you see inside the chicken? What do you see inside the chicken?
Liver.
You've seen the liver. Excellent. Very good. The liver. It is inside. You can't see it when the chicken is running, isn't it? So the liver is inside. It is an internal part. Excellent. What else do you see inside besides the liver?
Egg.
The egg. Yeah, sometimes the eggs, before they are laid by the head, you find that they are inside. The intestines, well done. Intestines, matumbu, isn't it? They are inside. Very good. What other parts have you seen inside a chicken or a goat? The what? The
Heart.
The heart.
Heart.
The heart. There's a heart inside. And you can tell this is a heart. Very tasty indeed. Isn't it? Yes. All those are internal parts. They are inside the chicken or the cow. So the bigger the animal, the bigger the part is. The bigger the intestines. You've seen the intestines of a chicken. You've seen the intestines of a cow. Okay. What about ourselves? Do we also have those parts? Do you think we have the heart and intestine?
Yes.
We have them.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Welcome. Okay. Yes. So those are the parts we want to talk about today. We want to start from the head. Inside the head, on the outside, we see there is a hair, there's a forehead. Karisam, can you stop what you're doing and listen? Yes. We are talking about the head. What is inside the head there? If we were to open your head, what would we find inside?
Brain.
Yeah, you
Brain.
brain. Excellent. There is what is called the brain inside there. What color is the brain? You have seen, even if you are eating a chicken head, you open inside the head, you find there something inside the head there. It's called the brain. What color is the brain? Who has seen it? Carissa, you've seen the brain of a chicken? What color is it? It is white. It is whitish, isn't it? Creamish. Very good. That is called the brain. Look at this picture. I brought a picture for you today to see the internal parts of a person. There it is. Unfortunately, it's not very big. So on the head there, we have what we call the brain. Brain. This is how you write the word brain. Can you write it quickly? Brain.
Yes.
Yes, copy it fast, fast, fast. The brain is found inside the head. It is protected inside there by some bones in the head. It is a very delicate part of our body. So we should make sure that when you fall, try to avoid falling by the head. All right? So we have the brain in our heads. Very good. Write it. We have brain. Good. Fast, fast. In. Brain. Brain. We're done with that. Very good. So we have our brain inside our head. All right. Next one, I want us to talk about the lungs. Have you ever heard of lungs? Have you ever heard about the lungs? Huh? Aha, you've never heard about lungs? Let's look into our picture. Let's look at the picture. Those things they at the side there, those big things there. Carissa, you're not looking at the book. Carissa, we're waiting for you. Look at the book here. We are talking about the lungs there. Okay? Those big things there, this side and this side, they are called lungs. They are called lungs. So you find them on your chest, this side and this side. We have lungs there. Okay? Can you see that part where I'm pointing there? Okay? That is where we have our lungs. All right? Yes. So how do we write the word lungs? There it is there. Can you copy it quickly? Lungs. Lungs. All right. You also need to take care of your lungs. As you breathe, the air gets inside your lungs. So you need fresh air to get into your lungs. Lungs. Copy quickly. If you are done, raise up your hand so that I can move on. Stacy, when you're done, raise up your hand. You haven't even started writing. I thought you were just sitting there. You'd finished. Lungs. Write quickly. Lungs. Rovarashe, well done. Carissa, you're done. Good, good. Alan, we're done with lungs. Tyler, Uyapo, Yukubonga. Very good. So, good, good, good. We're waiting for you, Stacy and Alan. You're done. Okay.
I'm done.
Well done. Those are fast. Okay. Well done. So we have lungs. Now we've talked about the brain. Brain.
I'm done.
All right. Let's say brain.
Brain.
Where you put brain? Brain. Carissa. Carissa. Let's go. Brain. 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 Brain on your head. Then, where do you find your lungs? Let's go. Lungs. Lungs. Start where you find your lungs. Uyapo. Come on. Lungs. Two hands. Use your two hands. Lungs. Lungs. Let's go. Lungs. Brain. And then the lungs. Now let's see. Now let's go to another part of our body, which is inside. I want to talk about the bones. Have you seen the bones? Have you ever seen bones? Mabonzo, amathambo. Have you ever seen them? Have you ever seen a bone?
Yes.
Yes, a bone of a chicken, a bone of a cow, even of a person. If you go to the graves there, into graveyard and you dig a grave, you find the bones of a person. So we have bones inside our bodies. Which part of the body has got bones? Which part of the body has got bones? Your cheeks, do they have bones there? Do we have bones there? Others are not looking. Carissa? Carissa, can you please and stop writing? Yes, we said bones. There are no bones there, except we have cheekbones up there, isn't it? Yes, in our fingers, in our arms, we've got bones, isn't it? Let's look into the book. Let's look at the diagram there. You see the bones on the arms there?
Yes.
On the fingers there? Yes, there are bones inside our bodies. And when those bones crack or they break, they usually put what they call a plaster, isn't it? You have seen people with a plaster on the arm or on the leg so that they try to fix the bones. All right. So we've got bones inside our bodies. All right. So be careful when you play. You may break those soft bones. They are still soft because you are still young and growing. When you eat meat, sometimes you find there's a bone and you crack that bone, isn't it? Yes. All right. Now let's go to the stomach. Inside our body, we also find the stomach. Let's look where the stomach is. You see that pink thing there? That is the stomach. When you eat your food, it comes down through that tube to your stomach. That is your stomach. Show me where your stomach is. Show me your stomach. Good, Carissa. That's your stomach. Excellent. Where is your stomach, Nokubonga? Ruvarashe? Tyler, where is your stomach? Yeah, yes, the big stomach. Stomach, big stomach for Mrs. Maodzwa. Yours is small. Alan, your stomach, very good. Stacy, show us your stomach. Yes, it's full. I can see, Stacy, it's full. We've been eating a lot of food. Yes, when we eat food, it goes into our stomach. So it is inside. We cannot see it on the outside. Usually on the outside, it's just flesh. But inside, we have the stomach. Inside our stomach, we also have what is called, they are called kidneys. You see those small things, they're like beans, this side and that side. You see them? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, they are called kidneys. They are called kidneys. So they are inside your body, okay? And they are called kidneys. It's okay. So eat good food if you want to keep your inside healthy. And then lastly, I want us to look at the intestines. You've already mentioned them. These intestines, amatumbu, matumbu. Eh? Some of them are big, say they are big intestines. Some are small in the middle there. So we've got big intestines and small intestines, those ones which are like a pattern there. You see them? Yes, they are intestines. We have seen them, we have eaten them, isn't it? The ones from the animals, even from the chicken, they're also small. You have to clean them before you eat them because they bring out the dirt from your body to the outside. Those are intestines. And then lastly, let's look at the heart. The heart. Where is your heart? Can you point to where your heart is? Your heart. Is it on the right? Is it on your left? The heart pumps blood. So it will be inside your body. Can you look for where it's beating? Where you feel your heart beat? Carissa, where is your heart? Look for your heart. Is it this side? Is it this side? And it's beating. It goes boom, 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 boom. If you exercise and run, you find that your heart will beat faster, faster, faster. All right. In our next lesson, we're going to exercise and then we'll feel our heart beat. Okay, it will be easy to feel it because we'll have exercise. All right, so those are some of the different parts of our bodies. All right, internal parts. They are not on the outside. We can't see them, but we know they are there. So next time they slaughter a chicken, open it. Be there, watch, ask, what is this part called? What is this part called? Okay, we had written about the brain, which we find in our head. We also wrote lungs, which are found on our chest there. And then now I want us to write bones. Can you write that? Bones. We have bones, different bones. Tyler, we are writing. Tyler, you're sleeping. Can you write bones quickly? We've got bones all over our bodies from the head to the toes. We have got bones. B-O-N-S. Bones. Quickly, Uyapo, if you finish, raise up your hand. Who's number one? Yes, Carissa, Nakubonga. And number one, they finish. The others, Ruvarashe, well done. Alan, what is it that you cannot see? You need to move your gadget closer to you. Seems like it's far away from you. All right. Boo. Oh, S. Uyapo, are you done? Let's finish. Let's finish. We have more words to write. Finish up. If you don't finish, you finish.
I'm done.
All right. And then we talked about the stomach. Stomach, stomach. Let's write. Carissa, time to write. We're playing. Let's write. Stomach. We have our stomach where the food goes. When we eat it, we chew it in our mouth and then it goes down that tube there. I won't tell you the name of the tube. I'll give you homework. I want you to label that part. Tell me what that tube is. It carries the food from the mouth to the stomach. Stomach, where the food goes after you've chewed it. Make sure you chew your food nicely before it gets to the stomach. Otherwise, you get a stomach ache. We are finished. Let me see. Fast writers. Where are they? Tyler, write fast. Faster. Stomach. Make sure that you notice the words, how they are written. All right. So the stomach is also part of our internal body parts. Now let's go to the kidney. We said kidneys are shaped like beans, very tasty as well. That's right. Kidney. Right. Kidney. Carissa, right. Time to write. Yes, kidney. Can you write it? There it is. Big letters, kidney. Alan, are we on track? Pro, Tyler, that's right. Ruva, well done. Ruva Rasha is already finished. That's very good. Nakubonga, finish writing. Where are you copying? Copy from me there. All right. Kidney. We are done. Raise up your hand if you are done. Ruvarasha was number 1. Who's number 2? All right. You show me at the end. Noku. Let's finish. Let's finish. Who is writing slowly there? Uyapo, are you done?
I'm done.
Good, Jesse. Good for all of you. All right. And then intestines. It's a long word, but you can write it. Intestines. X. Intestines. We say there are big intestines and small intestines. Let's write, Carissa. Intestines. Yes. After you've eaten your food from your stomach, it's digested and then it goes into the intestines. Some of it is absorbed into the body. Some leftovers go into the intestines and out of your body. Intestines. Said we've got big ones and small ones. Ruvarashe has already finished copying that long word. Well done, Ruvarashe. Uyapo, you done? Faster, intestines. If you don't finish now, you'll finish later after the lesson. All right, because we're rushing for time. And lastly, let's go to the heart. We are done with intestines? Slow and
No.
oh, faster. What are you still doing? Faster. We said you must eat breakfast so that you get energy to write fast. Good. And then lastly, the heart, a very important part of your body. Carissa, that's right. Heart. The heart pumps blood. The heart pumps blood. Carissa, have you finished writing? Let's write that word there. Heart. The heart pumps blood. Is very important. If it's pumping, you stop breathing. You stop being alive. So we don't want you to stop being alive. We want you to be part of us still. So the heart, keep your heart active by eating and eating good food. Heart, Rugarashe is already finished. Stacy, very good. You finished copying. Alan, heart, the heart. Wow, done. We are point, Alan. Tyler, you're done. Good girl. Wow. Alan, I said you must move your gadget closer to you so that you see nicely. Uyapo, you're done. Alan is still writing. Well done, Nobonga. Thank you. All right. So thank you very much, grade ones, for taking part. For now, as our conclusion is conclude, which part of the body is this one? Internal part of the body. Which one is this? Rubarashe?
Bone.
It is a bone. Very good. Yes, that's a bone. And what about this one? Who can say what this? There are always two in the body. This one is the?
Lungs.
They are not lungs. No,
Lungs.
they are kidneys. They are kidneys.
Kidney.
And these ones are the? What about this?
But.
They are the lungs. Lungs. All right. Well done, grade ones. Meet you again in the next lesson. Make sure you have your sports kit because we'll do some exercises. All right. Have a good day. In the meantime, do your homework. All right. Bye-bye. Bye, Carissa, Allen, Tyler, Stacy,
Bye.
Goodbye.
Mom.